What are we focusing on today? Well, festival foods? Pick and save? The pig? There's our focus. We're talking about grocery percents and totals. So we're looking at how much did I save, what kind of percentage am I saving, those kinds of things. So here's going to be our focus. One of the things we need to do is determine how much I actually saved from the regular price. So we need to watch that and see what we need to do. We need to determine the regular price. If we don't know it, we need to be able to figure that out, because we're going to need that when we want to determine the percent that I saved off of the regular price. And then we're also going to want to determine how much we actually have to pay for those items when we purchase them on sale. And so we can do this. This is going to be our focus. We can make this happen. So here we go. We're going to buy these Smokies. Okay, there they are. So the first thing I want to know is, how much did I save on these little Smokies when I bought them on sale? Well, what do I know? Well, I know what the regular price is because here it is. There's the regular price. I know what the sale price is because there it is. They told me. Well, what do I need to do to figure out how much I save? Well, I'm going to take that regular price and I'm going to subtract from it the sale price, and I'm going to get $2. So I'm saving $2 by buying these things on sale. That's a pretty good deal, right? And so now I know that I saved that, and I know what the regular price is. Okay? So I'm getting a good deal. How good is the deal? What percent did I save off of the regular price? And look, I even told us how we're going to round this off, so I'm pretty proud of myself. Okay, so because we're asking for a percent, we know that we're going to have this proportion to start. Because we don't know the percent, P is going to go there. There's my regular price. That's always going on the bottom of that proportion. There's how much I save. That's going on the top. Now once we get to here, we have what we need to be able to do the math. Again, we're going to just cross multiply 100 times 2 divided by 499. What is our answer that we're going to get, remembering that we're rounding to the nearest tenth? And there it is, 40.1% when we round that thing off correctly. Excellent. Great job. Now, to go with those Smokies, we're going to have some Jimmy Dean. We're going to get these breakfast bowls. Okay? But now I recognize that I have to buy 2 for $5, so I'm making note of that. I need to buy 2 of these packages of breakfast bowls for this deal. So what I need to know now is, what's the cost of 2 packages if I buy them at the regular price? Well, here's my regular price, right? And so all I need to do is take that regular price, multiply it by 2, boom. There's how much I would have had to pay. So now what I want to know is, how much am I going to save when I buy these 2? How much will I save? So let's get that answer. And you will notice that all I needed to do was take what's the regular price to buy 2 of them, subtract from it the sale price to buy 2 of them, and I get 98 cents. So there we go. So I saved 98. And so now what do I know? I want to know what the percent is off the regular price. So things I need the regular cost, which was $5.98. We figured that out. I need the amount that I saved, which is 98 cents. We just figured that out. Again, because it's asking me this percent, we know that I'm going to use a proportion with that 100 in there. Because we don't know the percent, P goes right there. What do we always put down here? That regular price. And then on the top goes our amount saved. And again, once we're here, we've already done the hard part, right? We've finished the hard part. Now we're going to do that cross multiplying. So I'm going to do my 100 times the 98 cents divided by 598. And what will I get for an answer? And oh yes, I actually did remember to tell you how to round this off. So what is the answer that we get for this? Good, 16% when we round this thing off correctly. Superb work. Awesome job. Okay, but now we need to do some cleaning. We got some dirty laundry, so we got to get some laundry detergent. Okay? So I'm looking at this and it says, what amount do I save if I buy one jug of the detergent when it's on sale? How much per jug will I save when it's on sale? Well, sometimes it tells us directly. There it is. It's telling me minus $1. So I'm getting $1 off when I buy this thing on sale. And so now what is the regular price then? How do we figure that out? What do you guys think the regular price is for one of these jugs of detergent? Yeah, $6.49. Good. That's all you need to do. Take what's the sale price, add to it how much are they knocking off of the regular price, how much am I saving? There is how much the regular price of that jug of Tide is. Okay? And so now I want to know what percent. What percent do I save off of that? So what are the things that I need to know? I need to know that regular cost. We just got it. I need to know the amount that I saved. Well, it told us that right here. Again, I know I'm going to use this proportion because I don't know what the percent is. There's P. I always put the regular cost on the bottom and I always put the amount saved on the top. There's what I get from cross multiplying. And so now I'm ready to go. I'm ready to get this answer, except what did I forget? What did I forget to tell you? Well, I forgot to tell you how to round it off. That's what I forgot to do. So there, now we know we're going to round that answer to the nearest tenth, so let's go ahead and get this answer. Let's see what we get. And boom, 15.4%. There it is, rounded off to the nearest tenth. Wow, excellent job. Excellent job. But now I'm thinking I want to take advantage of this. I want to take advantage of this deal on the Tide. Okay? But I need to read the ad carefully because it tells me that I have to buy 5 of them. It tells me I have to buy 5. Now you'll note that it says I could buy some Tide, I could buy some liquid fabric softener or Tide Pods, but I have to buy 5 to get that deal. That's what I have to do. How do you find the total price for anything? It's always going to be what's the price per item times the number of items that you're going to buy. Well, the price per item is $5.49. Boom, there it is. And we have to buy 5 of them. So how much are we going to pay to buy these jugs of detergent or fabric softener, whichever combo we choose? How much will we pay? Boom, $27.45 is what I'm going to have to pay to take advantage of this deal. So get out the cash and pay up. Okay? And so what did we just focus on here? What can we do here? So we just talked about determining the amount saved. Sometimes it tells us that. It told us that directly in that Tide ad. But if not, what did we do? We took the regular price and we subtracted the sale price from it. That's how we figured out how much we saved. Sometimes we need to determine the regular price. Maybe it's listed, but if it isn't listed, we have to do sale price plus the amount saved. We need to be able to do that. Now when we're determining the percent, What are we doing every time? We're using this proportion, P over 100, and then on the top is amount saved over the regular price. That's what we did on every one of these problems. Okay? And then lastly, we determine the total paid for the items. And again, it's just how much per item times how many items are we borrowing. And that required us in this particular instance to read the ad carefully to know what we needed to do. Okay? Here is the class kit code for some problems to do. Please make sure that you're doing this before you take the quiz, and then as you do this thing, bring your questions from this recording and from that class kick assignment to class, to the live class session, and we can get those questions answered before you get on the course quiz. Okay? I'm looking forward to your great work.